You had a hard day. You deserve a little treat. You worked all week. You've earned that splurge. Treat yourself. You've heard it 1,000 times, but that phrase is quietly draining your bank account. Treat yourself culture has convinced you that spending money is self-care, that buying things is how you reward yourself, that you deserve to spend because you worked hard. And on the surface, it sounds harmless, but it's a trap. Here's what's really happening. Every hard day becomes an excuse. Every stressful week becomes a reason. Every minor win becomes a celebration that costs money. And suddenly you're treating yourself 3, 4, 5 times a week. The treats stopped being special. They became a habit, an expensive one. That $20 lunch because you were tired? That $50 online order because you had a bad meeting? That $100 night out because it's Friday? None of them feel like much in the moment, but add them up over a month and you've spent hundreds on rewards for just getting through normal life. The worst part? The happiness never lasts. You feel good for an hour, maybe a day. Then the stress comes back and you need another treat. It's a cycle that never ends and never builds anything. What if you could reward yourself with progress instead of purchases? What if watching your savings grow felt better than any impulse buy? If this is exposing something you do, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me your guilty treat, and subscribe because you need to break this cycle. The Finance Reset Toolkit shows you what treating yourself is really costing. You track every expense, and suddenly those little treats add up on screen. You see the total. You see what it's taking from your savings goals. You see the real price of temporary happiness. Then you simulate cutting back. What if you treated yourself twice a week instead of 5 times? The app shows you exactly how much faster you hit your goals. That's a reward that actually lasts. People using this system stopped mindless treating and started intentional spending. They still enjoy life. But now they choose when and how. And they're building wealth while doing it. If you're ready to escape the treat yourself trap, tap the link in the description and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.